Okay, this is the grammar lesson for Unit 8. This is in page 86 of your textbook. 86. And the first item here is you've already learned how to make a question using ma by adding it to the end of a declarative statement. So you've learned one way to make a question. Another way to make a question is to repeat the verb or repeat the negative form of the verb after the positive version, like you see here and like you saw in the dialogue. So for example, 你今天忙 is you're busy today. But you could say, that's just a statement, 你今天忙. You could also add ma at the end to ask, are you busy? 你今天忙吗? Right? Or another way to make that a question is to add the negative form of the word after it, 不忙. So what you come up with is 你今天忙不忙? That's a question. Are you busy today? And notice that when you use this form of adding the negative form of the verb after the positive form of the verb, affirmative form of the verb, there's no ma. There's no ma. You can't do both. So here's a little dialogue. 你今天忙不忙? 我今天很忙. I'm very busy today. All right, a second example we have here. So person A says, 你妈妈喜欢不喜欢吃中国菜? All right, so 你妈妈喜欢不喜欢吃中国菜? So 喜欢吃中国菜 is to like to eat Chinese food. 喜欢不喜欢 is does your mother like to eat Chinese food? Literally, we have your mother like, not like, eat Chinese food. Okay? We translate it into English as it's essentially a yes/no question, right? We ask yes/no questions, and we do it with the verb do. Does your mother like to eat Chinese food or not? The answer to this kind of question is yes or no. In Chinese, you know they don't answer yes or no, they answer with the verb. Okay, 喜欢. If someone says 你喜欢不喜欢吃中国菜, if you like to eat Chinese food, you would answer 喜欢. If you don't like to answer Chinese food, you would answer 不喜欢. Chinese rarely just say yes or no. They respond to a yes/no question by repeating the verb that was used to ask the question in either the positive form for yes or the negative form for no. Let's look at this one. 请问王律师今天有没有事? Okay, does lawyer Wang have anything to do today? 王律师今天没有事. 没有. He has nothing to do today. He's free. Okay, you also saw the adverb 还. As an adverb, 还 can indicate that the action or situation denoted by the verb in the sentence involves someone or something else in addition to what has already been mentioned. Okay, so let's just look at an example. So 白银爱请高文忠和王鹏还请李友. Okay, so 白银爱 is inviting Gao Wenzhong and Wang Peng and Liu too. Okay, so that's where 还请 Liu, and you'll notice the verb is repeated. So here she's 请 Gao Wenzhong 和李友, and then 还请 also is inviting Liu or is inviting Liu too. And we have an answer here. Oh, we have a second example. 王鹏喜欢吃中国菜还喜欢吃美国菜. So Wang Peng likes to eat Chinese food, and he also likes to eat American food. And that concludes this grammar video.